Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be trying to show you how to make a coffee mug that you hold when you drink coffee. So the main style will be, hold the left click button. The main style will be lathe. Click on it. Lathe is a tool in Cinema 4D that you can use to make the edge of something gets rotated along the y-axis. So let's try to make the edge of the coffee mug by clicking on spline pen and then change the view to let's say front, right, for example. Just construct the lines or the edge that forms the coffee mug by clicking on it just like this. And then make sure it's straight because coffee mugs are pretty much straight, just like this. And then maybe make a little bit of this roundy side, just like so. And then do it the same, just like this. And then simply close the line so that the edge of the coffee mug is formed. And then all we have to do now, look, this is the edge of the coffee mug that we're making. All we have to do now is to drag the spline into lathe, just like this. Ooh, fancy. Now you've already formed the coffee mug but without the handle. We can do some adjustments by increasing the subdivision amount so that it looks smooth, just like so. And all we have to do now is to make the handle. So let's head over to, let's say, capsule, maybe, and then you drag it just like so, and then you make it editable by right clicking on it and then click on connect objects and delete, just like that. And then you can do things with the let's say the dimension, just like this. I'd like to make it a bit like this so that it resembles the handle for the mug. And then we can just make it thin, just like this, maybe. All we have to do now is to bend this model, the handle, that's to say, by clicking on bend and then put it just like this. Actually, you have to put back the objects, put back the handle to the center, that's to say. And then we apply the bend effect, and then all we have to do now is to head over to object and then just increase the strength so that you can make it just like this. There you go. But it's not so curvy actually, because hold on, I think it's because the capsule didn't have a lot more segments. So let's say if we increase the height segments just like this, and then increase the cap segments to, let's say, this, and then increase the segments, and then we just right click on it and then click on connect objects and delete, and then we can adjust the size again, just like so. Hold on. You want to make the handle like this, not too thick and not too thin, just like so. Maybe this size, probably, just like this. And then we can apply the bend effect by clicking here, and then drag the bend effect into capsule, just like this. And then we can adjust the strength of the strength of the bend. Actually, we want to rotate the capsule just for a little bit by doing just like this, maybe. hold on, just like this, and then we can apply the bend effect. And then when we increase the strength, ooh, now it looks like a real handle of glass, just like this. Ooh, fancy, isn't it? All right, you can even you can convert it into an editable object by right-clicking on it and then click on Connect Objects and Delete, just like so. And then you just adjust the size, probably. Oh, now it's looking fancy. And then you can adjust the size of it so that it doesn't look so huge and large, just like so. There you go. Now you have a really cool mug. Ooh, alright. Then when we adjust the thickness again, it will look like this. Ooh, fancy, isn't it? We've just created a mug. Now that the handle is done, all we have to do now is to cut this part by using this tool called bool. So let's make a cylinder just like this, and then adjust the size. No. Adjust the segments. Change back the mode to here. And then just adjust the radius, and then increase the rotation segments just like so. And then we just increase the radius so that the whole area inside of the mug is covered. And then now all we have to do is to insert the object that cuts the handle by dragging the cylinder and then dragging the capsule inside of it, and then put it just like this. And then the part of the mug is already cut, but the cylinder needs to be enlarged just like this. Then when you're done, you just right click on the bool and then click on Connect Objects and Delete, and then you're done. That's our mug. This part of the handle is now gone. Isn't it easy to to design this mug? Alright then. If we can add some materials onto the mug and do some adjustments with the filling of the mug by putting some cylinder, and then it may turn into this. Alright, that's how you can model a mug using Cinema 4D. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.